Hello everyone. So today we have a problem on linked list, that is remove duplicate elements from sorted linked list. And in this problem we have been given a single linked list of n nodes and our task is to remove the duplicates. So we are asked not to use any extra space and the nodes are in sorted way. Okay, so let's hop into the first test case in which we have 2, 2, 4 and 5. Clearly this 2 is a duplicate in this linked list. So let me draw a linked list so that it it should look like one, right? So what we have to do is what to remove these two, right? That's what removing duplicate means. So what we can do is this first two's next can point to this four, and then we can delete this node, right? We are not deleting this first because if we delete the second two first, then we will lose the track of the other nodes. For example, if you think you could have done like this, 4 and 5, you would have deleted 2 first, then this 2 would have carried this. Suppose this two's next should had the address of this 4, right? And other nodes, right? This 4 was connected to then again no other nodes. So if you have deleted 2 first, then you would have lost the track of 4 and 5. So that's why we are first updating the means link, and then we are deleting it. So this was it for the solution. Now let's look at the code, the implementation part. So we have a remove duplicates function in which I have first created a node P, which is initially. So let me first remove this so that we can understand clearly. Okay. Now let me again draw it. So 2, 2, 4, and 5. Okay. Initially my P is pointing here. And I have a Q, which is a next pointer, which I'll use it further. So if this P is next, means if this P is next is not null, which means I have other nodes, what I'll do is I will place my Q on the next node to P. Great. Okay. So then I will check if the data of P and data of Q matches. So if it does, I simply update the what we're doing. I were updating the link, right? So that's what I will do here. If the data matches, I will simply update the P's next, which was holding the duplicates address, to the Q's next. Q's next is simply holding the 4, right? This 4's address. So P's next is updated to Q's next. And then I'm simply deleting this node 2. Okay. Otherwise, if the suppose P and Q were here and clearly the data doesn't match. So what I'll do, I will simply move the P to the next node. Okay. So that was the else condition. Now at the end, I will return the head pointer, which will indicate that we have a updated linked list, that is 2, 4, and 5. So let me show you that this code completely works fine. So I've get you intuition and you were able to solve the problem. Thank you. See you in the next one.